Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing a trusted converter and making a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, open the unsupported file and inspect its container, codec, resolution, and frame rate so you know constraints. Next, choose a target container such as MP4 or MKV and select a compatible codec, H. 264 for broad support or H. 265 for smaller files. Make sure to pick a preset close to your source to minimize quality loss, then move to detailed settings. Now you fine-tune the encoding settings to balance size and quality. Start by setting bitrate or CRF. Lower CRF equals higher quality. Pick a profile level matching target devices. Then match the source resolution and frame rate unless you need scaling. Use hardware acceleration to speed up encoding while noting possible quality trade-offs. Next, configure audio. Choose AAC or Opus, set sample rate and channels, and decide whether to burn, keep, or strip subtitle tracks. Preview a short clip to confirm sync and quality before encoding the whole file. You start the full encode and watch system resources so you can pause if overheating occurs. Once complete, verify the output in at least 2 players to confirm compatibility, checking audio/video sync, container integrity, and file size. If the file meets expectations, save your settings as a preset for future use. If problems appear, stuttering, sync drift, or unsupported codec errors, re-encode a short segment with a different codec or adjust CRF/bitrate. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.